What's up with it? It's your boy McFly, man, the hardest working man in shoetainment today. Coming at you again with another real review. If this is your first time over here in the land of McFly, man, I welcome you. Hopefully you enjoy this video, enjoy my content, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff that us YouTubers say, man. But as you can see, we got a box here on the table. This is a pair of kicks that I've really been interested in getting. The homie was nice enough to loan me this pair to do a review on it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're still on the road to 300 subs, man. Trying to get there by January 1. Everybody tell a friend, show a friend, all your friends, anybody, everybody, homeless people, anybody with a cell phone, crippled, the elderly. I don't care. Any of them people. All of them. Today, we've got these beautiful Satin 5s, man. But for those of you who don't know how we do in the land of McFly, we're gonna get you zoomed in for this close-up action. Alright, man, we got you zoomed up for this close-up. As you can see, we got that 11.5 in your traditional retro 5 box. Nothing special there. In my opinion, this shoe is incredibly solid. Starting here at your toe cap, you have a all satin upper with your flat black laces with your clear netting here. Coming up to your clear and red lace lock with your silver and red tongue here at the top, as all 5s are. This is 3M, as everybody knows. Going to the side shot of the shoe here. Netting here, also clear. Coming through to this red midsole with the splackle on it, which I feel like they didn't really need the splatter. I don't know why that's a thing, but whatever. That's what you want to do, that's cool. You got your red toe cap, that translucent sole, the red, translucent again. On the back here, you've got Jumpman logo. Wish that was Nike Air, but whatever. Beggars can't be choosers. Either way, I really like this shoe. I'm definitely going to pick it up. On the inside, let me see, it's not really picking it up, but you have a red insole with the black Jumpman. But as I was saying, I definitely plan to get this shoe. It's dope. I'm just going to get it for cheap. My biggest issue is when I had my Chinese New Year 5s, I don't think they were satin, they were like neoprene or something. But when they creased, man, they looked terrible. So I might have to get like some inserts or something to put in the shoe for these. But this satin, it's pretty good quality. I mean, it's not trash. So, and how the camera picks it up, it kind of has like a purplish kind of shiny tint to it. But without the camera on, just looking at it with your bare eyes, it's really just a dark black. And it's nice, man. The camera really doesn't do this shoe much justice at all, but like I said, I'm definitely gonna pick it up. Hopefully if it makes it to outlet, it's on and popping. You know what I'm saying? But this is some of the heat that I was talking about, man. Jordan Brand should continue doing stuff like this, man. These are definitely winners, but you don't have to be in a rush to grab. So, but yeah, that's just my 2 cents, man. It's your boy McFly. I holla at you.